To make this movable box in Photoshop, first of all, make a copy of the text layer by pressing CT at LJ. After that, go to Filter, then convert for Smart Filters. Now go to Edit and select Perspective Warp. Add the grids and adjust them perfectly around your box. Then go to the other side, add another grid, and adjust it properly as well. Do the same for the last side to complete the box structure. After completing all this, click on the warp option. Now, you can move or adjust it anywhere you want.